Good morning, Scott over in Kalamazoo. It's June 1st. Today we got to do a little bit of rust removal on ashtray, a couple little metal items that are real small, intricate, and so we'll use electrolysis today. Stick around, see what happens here.
We have Mr. Benny Martin with us now. Benny, step around and say hello to everybody.
Al, how in the world are you, boy? And it's real nice to visit with such wonderful people as you and all the boys who come in for the Country Music Disc Jockey Festival here in Nashville. I've missed you for the last couple of years, but it seems like it's getting bigger and better every year. What do you think, huh?
Well, I think it is. Benny, tell us, do you think this festival, all the get-together of the artists, people, do you think it furthers country music to any certain degree? Tell us what you think.
Well, I definitely think so, Cal, because it's bound to have a bearing on it because we all get together and talk over the points of country music, which can make it bigger and better, and I think eventually our good old fiddles and picking is really going to come back in style like they used to be.
That's right, Benny. You know, we always have gone for that old mountain style of picking and playing down in Claxton Way, and we really enjoy your fiddling. Tell us about that fiddling job you done for Wilma Lee and Stoney. Is it right? Is that it?
That's right. We done that. Is it right? We done the other side. The Come Walk with Me, and also I've made just about all of Wilma Lee and Stoney's records, Big Wheel, and also the Midnight Special, and all those. And we'll have myself for Decca, we'll have an album of fiddle tunes. We hope to pretty soon, featuring our 8-string fiddle and a bunch of breakdowns on the 4-string fiddle, and some things that people might enjoy about it.
Benny, you sure are a fine fiddle player. We enjoy hearing your instrumentals, but tell us a little bit about your vocal work and that little sister Joanne of yours. How about telling us a little bit about that?
Well, Joanne is a little lady who comes from Sparta. She's the baby of the family, and she and I cut this tune, My Fortune, on Decca that did real well for us, and we have some more songs of that type that we're working on now. Maybe we'll put one of them out before long.
Well, Benny, that's fine. Listen, let's get around this new Decca release by yourself. Untrue You, and the other side is...
If I Can Stay Away Long Enough.
Those are two fine songs, Benny, and I'll tell you something else. We like your style of delivery. You know, not everybody has that type of delivery, and we really do enjoy it. It's been a pleasure talking with you. You be sure and visit us the next time you're traveling the Southeast Circuit.
Thank you so much, Cal Thornton, and tell all of the folks at WCLA in Claxton, Georgia, hello for me, and all the people down there who like Benny Martin records. I appreciate them very much if they'll run out and buy 2 or 3 million.
Well, Benny.
Thank you very much.
Well, Benny, thank you, and you send us an LP. We'll play some of that fiddling music.
By a brain, long
Good morning. It's June 1st. This is Scott over in Kalamazoo. I've got to do a little bit of rust removal. We're going to use electrolysis this time, just some small items. There's a ashtray, some horn brackets, and there's some